Hi, this is Fern from FML Diversify. Might be looking strange right here. But I was thinking about it and I thought about it right before I decided to turn on the camera. I was working on a project. I'm moving into my new apartment and some things needed to be done. And when you move into a new apartment, if it's not brand new and somebody lived in there before you, and even if it is brand new, from the sawdust and the difference, the hammering, you should clean it. You should get in there as soon as you can, your landlord permits, and start doing some work on different things. And on this project I'm going to work on right now, it's going to be, I'm putting some contact paper down. And contact paper is, sometimes shelves are old or they're stained or they're older, or you just want them to look pretty. They sell what they call contact paper or shelf paper. They're two different things because contact paper has an adhesive to it, and the adhesive helps it stick so that it doesn't slide and move out of position. The shelf paper is a liner. It can be cloth or it can be vinyl or plastic, and it stays in place. And a lot of times the women would put it in their drawer, in their kitchen and stuff to help, when you open your cabinet, you want to look at something pretty. So they would line it with different shelf paper or contact paper. And in the older days, they used to use brown paper bag. But today what I did for the project I'm working on, this is a project in the kitchen where I wanted to take and put a contact paper down to just blend in with some of the wood that's already here. And it's wood. If you can see the color of the cabinets, it's wood. So I said, what I'll do is I'll get this contact paper. A lot of times they carry it at the Dollar Tree or Walmart. And Dollar Tree is inexpensive. You might sometimes need 3 or 4 rolls. And in this cabinet, I'll put a liner with the shelf paper to take and put my dishes on. And it helps when you go in and out of your cabinet to look pretty. So this is the project I'm working on now. So I'm putting it together. So I've already started to cut it. And the roll is a long roll about this big. And you just pick it up and you cut it to the size of whatever the project that you're working on. And this is the roll. This is what I have left probably for another project. And it makes the kitchen and your shelves look really, really pretty. So I just wanted to show you that after you lay it down, it's going to take some time. You're going to need some scissors or a box cutter or a knife or something. And you can see me pulling the undersheet of it because I've already lined it up. And I'm going to just gently push it down so that you can go ahead, so I can go ahead and smooth it out and lay this down so that this top of this shelf will be even better. And this is a project that they're going to be putting new cabinets in for me eventually, but it's okay because it worked. I saw my mom, my pastor, and other women, my aunts, and whenever they moved in, they would go into the apartments. And the first thing my mother always did, and we did as I learned, we would clean the bathroom. They would buy new toilet seats, and some would say, that's the landlord's responsibility. Well, back in the day when I was born, the landlords did almost nothing. And some of them still don't do anything. But you make your housing and wherever you live at, make it look the best so you can feel good about going into it. So look at that. So when I go to cook and I lay things on the shelf, it'll give it a nice wood look. And it just almost blends in. It's not exact, but we're not looking for perfection right here either. I'm going to be working on the cabinets and cleaning them, wiping down, polishing them over the time in the year stuff. So this is the project I'm working on now. But be encouraged. Start sprucing up your apartment. Even if you just get up, sweep up, and everybody lives different ways. But you don't have to live in squalor. And if somebody won't clean it, you clean it. I've been into several places and I've had to go in and fix up and clean up. And I was just grateful to have a roof over my head. So you be encouraged wherever you live. Hit the Dollar Tree hit Dollar General, hit tag sales, and begin to just go ahead and fix up your apartment. First of the month is gone. Remember what I told you about for those who need this information? Don't spend all your money in one place. Budget. Go day by day. What are we going to eat this day? That's this. 3 meals a day. If you're going to get the big packs of toilet paper, just see how many sheets come in a pack. We're going to really be going on in depth on a lot of things that I've learned over the years that helped me to take care of my children, my 3 children, my granddaughter, on what was a blessing to us and what God provided. And I learned to take advantage so we can get by with what we had. You know, I was on assistance at one time, yet I learned that I had to feed them every day. So you can't be wasteful. You can't fill your kids with a lot of junk food. It's not good for you. So get that stuff ready. First of the month is tomorrow. Today's the 31st of October. Don't go out there buying a whole bunch of candy. The kids don't need it. And you probably don't need it. And who am I to say? You know, it's a war when you're fighting for your health. So you be encouraged. And remember, budget so you can have some extra. Even if you have an extra $5 or $10, go to the dollar store, buy some flowers, buy a planter, buy a vase, buy some bubble bath, and help yourself feel better. Get in a good spirit, change your mindset, move around. All right, we're going to be talking to you later on. This is Fern from FML Diversify. Subscribe, pass this on to someone else you know who may need help, and we'll be coming back at you as soon as I get situated. I should be coming out more consistently. But be encouraged and have a great, wonderful day. It's warm outside where I'm at. So, like I said, be encouraged. Bye-bye.